Isikole samabanga aphansi i-Protea South Primary esiseSoweto sicekelwe phansi umlilo namhlanje ekuseni. Lesi isikole singesesibili sicekelwa phansi umlilo eGauteng ezinsukwini ezimbili zilandelana. Ngolwesithathu isikole iThuto Tharo Secondary esise-Sebokeng eVaal naso sacekeleka phansi umlilo. Owengamele ezemfundo eGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi uthi ukushiswa kwezikole kuqedana amandla.
Umphakathi waseProtea South eSoweto uvuke nezindaba ezishaqisayo kulandela ukusha kwegumbi lesikole eligcina izimpahla. Tharo oyilungu lomphakathi uthi kube khona umuntu ohlaba umkhosi ngokusha kwesikole. Uthi kudingeka ukuthi basike ucingo ukuze bakwazi ukungena esikoleni.
We had to come through, cut the fences, force our way into the school to be able to extinguish the fire. Some of the guys had to rip the roof open so that we tried to extinguish the fire, which seems to have started in this room and extended into some other rooms. So we had to do our best to remove the furnitures and try to extinguish the fire. That's just towards the end. That's when the firefighters came and helped us through, and the principal came only to find people busy helping out. So it's really difficult to can say what really started the fire.
Ubrigadier Peters uthi amaphoyisa aziswa umphakathi ngokusha kwesikole.
Police were alerted by community members around 5 o'clock this morning that a fire had broken out at the school. We went there and together with the fire department, they were able to contain the fire. At this stage, police have opened an inquiry for further investigation just to establish the cause of the fire.
Akekho ekubikwe ukuthi ulimele kulesigameko, ukufunda kanye nokufundisa akuphazamisekanga. Amaphoyisa aphenya imbangela yalomlilo.